Hi, and welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 20th of August 2024. So stocks extend a win streak ahead of Jackson Hole Symposium, and Kamala Harris' Unionist manifesto accelerates the dollar collapse. Stocks and treasuries bid while dollar slides as participants await risk events. They're talking about Jackson Hole Symposium there, and also the FOMC meeting minutes out tomorrow night. US stocks advanced and the dollar was sold in light news flow. So, we could also expect, according to one of these news items, I think it's this one, the last few years have seen sell the news post Jackson Hole Symposium. So we could see a bit of a pullback based upon a seasonal statistic there. Right, let's have a look. Any news? No news today. Tomorrow we've just got the FOMC meeting minutes. Then we've got the French news on Thursday. And then we start the Jackson Hole Symposium as well, which is an all-day event. Right, let's have a look at the markets. Kick off with the Dow. And as I mentioned in yesterday's alert, expect the market to continue all the way to their all-time highs. And that's exactly what happened during yesterday. So let's start off by looking at the Dow. So in the Dow yesterday, we see the market trading up to the 89% retracement of the recent move. We've had this marked up a long time now, and we're heading back to 41,415. We've got 41,238 in the way there, and we've just got to take out this 89% retracement as well. We've already dealt with the 78, so we can remove that. And also, let's just drag that out there so you can see the numbers more clearly. We came off an 89% retracement as well. Whoops, the wrong one. Back over here, and that's brought us to 89, so that's where the market bounced. And now it's just a matter of heading back to the all-time highs, which I think we'll done with great ease, frankly. Keep the markets pumped up for Kamala. And then she's got more chance of being voted in, which, again, I'll say it, I think she is going to be voted in. It's amazing how you can rebrand somebody that's been a VP and a catalogue of disasters, but there you go. Let's not get too political. It's very easy to sway people with the media when that box in the corner of the room. Anyway, 30-minute chart. You can see there the market's moving higher, pulling back, and then cash market opening, and then just advancing to the upside. We're not far off the high. The market's finding support at the close. All of the averages are in the right direction there as well. In the German DAX, we managed to get through the 89% retracement, but this is 89 from here to here projected up. So we can discard this one, and we can roll over to the next high, which is there. And you'll see that we're just at the 89% retracement there as I'm recording. So we can remove these other ones because we're through these. And take note of the 18,470 number there. And you've got all of these other numbers above, all the way up to the all-time high of 18,921. I mean, you can just see that's going to happen just by the market action. Like I say, there will be pullbacks, but otherwise it's straight up. And yesterday is a perfect example. Off the 50 EMA, the DP, and the market just green all the way. Overnight, the market, like the Dow, is currently sitting at the close. It's been stuck in a sideways range, just needs to break out and then get above the high. Expect a bit of a pullback before it does this. In the S&P 500, also trading to the 89% retracement. It's just a matter of getting through this and up to the all-time high of 5670. Already through yesterday's resistance at 5565.3 there as well. As with the Dow, it's green all the way, as it can be seen there. And in the FT100, the market recovering from Friday's down move. Sideways to higher, still struggling with the 89% retracement at 83.54, which needs to be taken out. But above this, you can see we've got the 8477 all-time high. And in the 30-minute chart, after a bit of a shakeout for the first hour and a half, market finds support at the 200 MA. You can see the volume coming in there. The market's oversold. And off we go to the upside there. Markets finding support overnight at the DP and the 50 EMA. It's just a matter of getting through the 20 bar moving average, then the close, and heading back to the all-time high. In the US dollar, this was down yesterday, but overnight the market is finding a bit of support and probably due for a bit of a bounce, to be honest with you. Interesting to see that the market now has broken that support to the left, where we had the huge buying back in this market around the 101 area. So again, a bit more weakness there. No doubt will be bolstered by the Jackson Hole Symposium 3-day event starting on Thursday. And in the metals, silver allowed to move higher yesterday as the dollar moved lower through the 29.20 area. We're also through the resistance. We've just covered the resistance to the left. We've got another one here at 29.50 just to round it up there. So the market seems to be struggling there at the moment. This is 29.50. The blue lines in the charts are always a 50. And yesterday you can see the market down initially, but then pumped to the upside after setting the price in London. And overnight the market sitting on the DP there, a bit of a cluster of volume there, and trying to move higher back to the high there. In the gold market, a similar picture, market sideways, having made a new all-time high of 25.09. $3,000 is going to be the next upside target for this market. Continues to make new all-time highs, unlike silver, which is the only market that is actually open and trading and has never made a new all-time high in the last 2011 was the last time it got towards the all-time high of 1979. So if that isn't a basis for manipulation of prices, I don't know what is. But every single market, even the Nikkei, managed to get back after 30 odd years of an all-time high in 1989, I think it was. Even that managed to get back. But silver, still $30, just under $30 an ounce. Incredible. Anyway, 30-minute chart for gold. You can see them buying back at the DP yesterday. And the high still needs to be taken out there. In the gold-silver ratio, silver higher yesterday, pushing the gold-silver ratio to the downside, but watch this support level here around the 84. I could see the market bounce off this one once more. Right, let's have a look at yesterday's trades. So in Monday's session, we saw the market fairly quietish to begin with in the pre-market session, which is the grey area. We then saw the 7 o'clock open there with the futures market up and down, and then it was a case of the opening salvo. Market put in a potential buy signal. This was filled, but the 200 MA had already played a part in stopping prices moving high. I've got the close above, and we see prices then being pushed back. A second attempt, it fails because we then get a potential sell signal which moves down and shakes out through the DP to the target and then comes back. And then of course the DP is such an important area. Prices trade sideways there. You can see that they retest the low before they make their way back to the DP. Not holding though, nobody wants to participate. Maybe the market's just waiting for that symposium, but not to be the case, because eventually we start moving to the upside, trail the stop, and get out as the market starts to come back towards the close. And that was the last trade of this session. The market then sideways, and then of course we got the first hour, 2 hours out of the way. We then see the market trading sideways, but continuing to make its move to the upside, which we saw obviously in the 30-minute chart earlier. And in the afternoon, this continues with the Dow as it pumped to the upside, and then into the late afternoon, early evening, the market giving back some of those gains for the German DAX. So where are we overnight? Let's have a quick look. The market currently above the close, and we've just got the high above there. But like I say, don't be surprised if we get a bit of a shakeout first before the market continues higher. And there you can see we've got the DP below. At the moment, all of the averages are lined up for this market to attack the high. Right, so that's it for this one. No economic news today. Market will make its own direction. Like I say, there may be a bit of a move to the downside first, shake out a few people, get rid of a few sells, and then move the markets back to the upside. So have a great day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in